cats. So today I'm showing you the stuff that I got from my Dia&co, which I totally forgot about again, because I only get it like every 2 months anyways, and they charge me like at the end of the month. Like they charged me at the end of July, or like right in the middle of July, for August box. And so no, wait, they charge, I don't know. It's just weird. I think they charged me, yeah, they charged me like in the middle of August, which was supposed to be for September's box, but they sent it out like a lot quicker than they usually do. Usually I don't get it till like the first like day in August, like the first day in September. I can't talk today, I swear. My hat is like kind of shading my face a bit. Anyways, I love this hat anyway. So the hat they did not send me. I am wearing the dress they sent me, but you can't really see it that well because my camera's up pretty high. But you will have seen it already, or will be seeing it. I'm not sure if I'm going to show you the clothes after, or before, or in between, but you'll have seen it. Okay. I swear to God, I do know what I'm doing today, I swear. So I'm gonna talk about the jeans first, because I wore the jeans in 2 different outfits. Because they gave me 1 pair of jeans and 2 tops. You can see like the side of my TV. I don't really like that. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about the jeans first. And the jeans are, it says Lexington cuffed capri pant. So they're denim capris, a dark wash, size 28. They are $69, which I think is not bad. Of course, if I'd bought them alone, they would only be $49 for me, because I already spent $20 on the box coming here at all. So, and they give you the $20 back if you buy something. So you'll have seen them in both of the outfits when I show you them. So they're pretty nice. I actually like them. They were stretchy, which is great. So, and I liked the color. I like dark and lighter washes, so it doesn't matter to me. They were incredibly comfortable, but they also, even though they're stretchy, they actually were a little loose at the waist, which was odd, because it wasn't loose. I don't know, I can't explain. It wasn't loose in my ass, I guess. I don't know. Because they stayed up okay. It wasn't like they were like falling off of me loose, but they were loose, and I found it a little strange. But they were still pretty nice, and if I had the money to buy everything in the box, I actually would have bought the whole box if I could afford it right now. I actually finally had a stylist that figured it out, what I liked, that listened to me. I actually went over everything again the last time and put different stuff in, but then I was still gonna cancel it, but then I forgot. So, but they, from the last time when I said, okay, I'm gonna try this again and put in different information, they finally figured out like what I like. So there is that, and there is my cat, if you can see her. That's Selena, not Pancake. They look alike sometimes, except Selena's she's got more weight on her, and personality-wise, they're completely different. So, the first outfit that you're going to see is going to have this top in it, which is Ryan with Allison shirred sleeveless blouse in burgundy and pink, because it's a pattern, in size 4X, and it's $49, and of course with the 20 off it would be $29. I actually really like this top, and had seriously thought about buying it. If it was like $9 less, if it was only like 20 bucks to buy it, or even, I don't know, or even 22 or something, I would buy it. It seems to be really well made. It felt nice when I was wearing it. It's the pattern is my style. It's definitely a style for fall, which I'm looking for fall stuff right now. So yeah, or I would be looking for fall stuff if I was able to buy anything right now. So a part of me really wants to get this, but it's just a little too out of my price range right now. Sorry, Dia&co. I almost bought it. Almost, but I'm not going to. So then I'm just gonna let you look at that, me wearing that. To this shirt, the other top, which it's got a really nice pattern. It's very simple. This is just a simple tee. There's nothing special about it, no cold shoulder, nothing. Which I like stuff like that, but this isn't something that like wows me, and it actually would only be $22. If it wowed me a little bit more, I would have bought it. It's in black and white, and it's from Dex Plus as the Adeline tee. Yeah, it's just a simple t-shirt with a black and white paisley. Paisley isn't my favorite print, but black and white always works for me, so yeah, I like it. It's not like, I don't know if I would buy it on my own though, either. Like, it's not a wow thing. It's more like something that I would probably have bought for like $9 at Walmart. And then been like, hey, you know, it's just a tee to wear with like your sweatpants around the house or something. It's not something like something to put an outfit together. It's just not, at least for me. For somebody else, maybe it is. I don't know. So anyways, you can take a look at me wearing that with the jeans. We're gonna talk about the dress, which I'm wearing, and then you'll see it afterwards. It is Mary Bell is the brand. The name is Terry Ann Scoop Neck Dress. It's a navy, and it's 4X, and it's $75. Really nice dress. I wish that it like came in a little bit more, but that might just be me. I mean, it looks nice. I like the color. I like the style. I like scoop necks like this. I like things that how can I explain? That like come out a little bit, I guess. I know the word is there, but I can't get it out. But anyways, I like this style of dress. I think it's very flattering on me. Yeah, so that, and it's very like simple. I wouldn't say plain, but simple. And I like a nice simple dress. A print in this would be fine too, as long as it's a print I like. I'm so particular about prints. Like, I didn't even show you the last Dia&co box that I got because it was so upsetting to me. Like, it was really bad for me. For somebody else, maybe they would have loved it, but it was so not my style. Everything they sent me was prints, and the prints were all like flower prints, and I like sunflower. If it's like bright and bold, but this was like, to me it was grandma flower prints, and that's not me at all. Like, even if I become a grandma, I don't think I would like those prints. They were like the kind of prints my grandmother would have liked, and just not me at all. No. So, yeah, I was very, very upset and I almost canceled it completely, like forever. But I really wanted to keep giving them a chance. I was like, let me like go in here one more time and try and fix this. Because I see other people that seem to enjoy those boxes and seem to like what they get. So it's like, and I thought maybe it's like Ipsy, you keep having to like let them know what you like and don't like to get there. And I think that my comments on the last one really helped, where I redid it, like the whole thing where they ask you questions, you answer them, and they also have a space where you can like add extra comments. And I redid that part and said, you know, this is what I like and this is what I don't like. And I really like, you know, like vintage clothes, but I also like very edgy clothes, and I like things to be simple. So I think they understood this time, because I feel like these are much better choices. So yeah, so here's the dress, me wearing the dress. After all that, there's one more thing they had in here before I pack it all away and send it off. Is this necklace. This necklace is so pretty, and I really loved it. Like, look at that, huh? And it would have, I think it would have looked really pretty with this. It's so pretty, and I'm seriously think that I'm gonna keep it. So it is $20, so it would end up being, no, it's $30, so it would end up being 10. So that's not a lot for me right now. I can have that one little splurge, right? So I was thinking about getting the top, but yeah, it's a little too much. So, because I was like, do I want to get the necklace or do I want to get the top? Like I said, altogether it was, grab the card again. Because they give you an extra percentage off if you buy everything in the box. So yeah, if you buy everything, you get in there 25% off, plus you get your 20 back. So the total is $265, but then you take the styling fee, which is minus 20, which, you know, it's basically, that's what you're paying for when you get the box, you're paying for a styling fee, whatever. So you get that back. Then the 25% off applied when you buy everything, which is minus $66.25. So the total ends up being $178.75. That's just too much for me right now to spend, but I do feel that for two tops, these jeans and this dress and the necklace, I do feel like that's worth it. They're a little pricey for me right now. Like, I can't spend a lot at all right now. So I can't, you know, really even buy Torrid unless it's like, I can't even buy Torrid on sale right now. Like, which some people don't understand that. They're like, oh, just buy the Torrid sales. It's like, yes, and I used to do that. But now, I just can't right now. I think if I could buy one item, but who can buy one item of clothing? Honey, I either have to buy a whole bunch or I have to buy nothing. Like, I have to buy like at least 4 or 5 items. Like, I can't just buy one item. Not with Torrid or Lane Bryant or any of those places. So it's just too expensive for me right now to have a little clothing haul. So this is my way of kind of having a clothing haul, because I can try stuff on and everything and show you guys. And so that for me is like enjoyable. And you know, I wish I could do the like in the dressing room videos, but I have nothing in my area. Like the closest thing I have is a Target, and their plus size section is like 3 racks. I'm not joking. It's the size of a bathroom. It's so small. And they don't have any of the like good plus size clothes that I see online. They just don't. So I can't do those type of videos. If I had something close by to me, then yeah, I would totally do those kind of videos. And my TJ Maxx has nothing in my size at all. They don't even do my size. So, and the Walmart that I have near me also like has very, very little in my size. Basically, they only have like sweatpants and tank tops and stuff in my size. The nicer clothes, the nicer plus size clothes, it doesn't go. They don't have them in my size. So, which is why sometimes I'm like, you know, some people want to lose weight for their health, and some people want to lose weight because they think they look better smaller. I have those don't, my health is all genetic. I'm sure people would say differently, but according to my doctors, it's genetic. According to the information I have, it's genetic. So, you can think whatever you want, but keep it to yourself, okay? Because I really don't want to hear it. The other thing, for me, the only reason I want to lose weight is for the clothes. That's it. I've always been on the big side. I've never been as big as I am now. This is the biggest I've ever been. It's happened over the last few years. And I'm not, like, unhappy at this size when it comes to my size. Like, it doesn't bother me. It doesn't make me feel ugly or horrible about myself. I don't mind being fat. Fat, I don't consider to be a bad word. It doesn't bother, that doesn't bother me. Not being able to buy clothes freaking does. That bothers me, because when I've always been big, but I've always been able to get some really good clothes still. You know, I've had Lane Bryant, and then there was Torrid, and there are many companies that have like some really nice clothes that were in my sizes. But now, even with Gwynnie Bee, some of the clothes that I want to get, they don't have in my size because they work with different companies, and not all of those companies have my size. Many plus size companies don't have my size. They only go up to a 3X, and I am a 4X. So it's difficult sometimes. But no, I don't feel ugly or bad about myself. And neither should you, if you're at this size or any size. Okay? You're not ugly, and your body is not ugly. No matter what somebody tells you, that's not true. And you should love yourself no matter what. So anyways, going back to this, yeah, I'm gonna keep the necklace. And the rest is going back. So, thank you for watching and checking out these clothes. And I'll be talking to you again soon. Remember to share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And always remember to always be kind, even when you slap them in the face. Bye-bye, kitty cats.